Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will look at OpenSSH server installation on a freshly installed Ubuntu 18.04 machine. Here is the terminal. Let me try to SSH to the local host before we start the installation. And we see that the connection is refused. Now let us start the installation. Sudo apt install -y, and -y will not prompt for any yes or no questions, and it will be a silent install. And then of course you'll see messages, but it will not pause for the user to input yes or no. And then you put our key in OpenSSH server and hit enter. Okay, the installation is done. Let me try to SSH now. SSH localhost. It's prompting me for the password, and I'm in. So I logged in locally from the machine, but you can now SSH into this Ubuntu machine from a remote machine. You could use PuTTY from a Windows machine, or you can use the SSH client, the command line client from another Linux machine or a Mac machine. Well, that's it in this video. I'll see you in the next.